My father was a very big technocrat of the country. When you're working under an umbrella and my father was there, a lot of comfort, But when I lost him, of course, I was totally, how to move forward and how to take this forward.
Challenges shape a man, and Pulkit Goel from Faridabad has faced them with a steel heart and a sharp mind. Pulkit Goel grew up in Faridabad, surrounded by machines, metals, and his father's vision. After completing electrical engineering from Thapar University, he joined hands with his father to build Stavaya Engineering, a company rooted in precision, purpose, and pride. Together, they turned raw steel into defense and energy solutions for India. Under his leadership, the company has grown into a key supplier for India's defense and energy sectors.
So Starware as a group is almost a $200 million company, and they are very known for a specialized steel manufacturing. We are doing the forward integration for some of the products. We are into final machining and assembly of turbine components.
Under his leadership, the company has grown into a key supplier for India's defense and energy sectors. But for Pulkit Goel, machines aren't the heart of the company, people are. Through every high and low, it's been his team that stood strong.
The 3 M's of industries like machine, material and man, but I believe it is man, man, man. When you're working under an umbrella, when my father was there, I had lot of comfort, that okay, he is going to manage, I'm going to work on his instruction. But when I lost him, of course, I was totally, how to move forward and how to take this forward.
He leads with trust, not control, and finds his greatest pride in watching others rise. With a promise to his father and a commitment to the nation, Pulkit leads Stavaya today with pride.